So we're finally back at it. So mounting the tank for the intercooler reservoir.
Yep.
And then here's the drain, gonna come out, and then down the backside.
Yeah, just the wing support will be here, so eventually it'll probably be good to just put it along the wing support, and then it'll dump right out underneath the body. So when you come in here, boom, dump it. It'll already run out.
We're just gonna do we're gonna pound these back down.
Yep, flatten them out. They were damaged in shipping, so we'll heat them up, pound them out, and bolt it down.
Sounds good.
Make a dynamat around it. We can mount this and then dynamat around it.
Yeah, we got contact up there, especially when we add the thickness of the dynamat.
Where we just don't.
We just don't, yeah.
We dynamat everywhere but this.
Yep, just trying to plug some of these gaps with some silicone.
So, but if I go and make the holes big enough, then I'm going to dynamat, then we'll put the inserts in.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, see, Trevor gets that.
Trevor would have gotten that for sure. Lined up where you need it?
No.
No?
No, it's not.
That's not good.
I mean, I had to start from that corner, but I'll just have to adjust the other holes here. It's a backup drill, and it's acting like one.
Craftsman? Made in China?
Not bad.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Pretty malleable?
Yeah. I mean, obviously, they got damage in just shipping, so. I mean, that one's pretty much flat.
Nice.
Walked in. Loaded the bases.
For who, though?
Oh.
Lining up nicely?
No.
No, that's not good. We'll say yes. Everything's lining up perfectly at this point.
It will when we're done.
You don't have to fill up the entire space.
Nice.
Daddy, where do you want Kayla?
The next quadrant.
Do you want to stand over here?
David Dahl is up to bat, had a home run in the first inning. That got the scoring started for the Rockies.
Then Kayla, you get.
Use the same font as Wiley.
There you go.
Problem solved. Hey, diddle diddle. It's official.
It's official.
Below yours? Okay.
Yeah.
You want to write the Smiths?
Okay.
Everybody together now. You're in. Get in. Family moment. Family moment.
90% success.
Why? What's that on there?
Just steal.
There you go.
If you steal.
Need a roller for that?
I will, but for now I need to just
get it started.
Yeah. This is the stuff that's cut my hands up so bad.
Here you go.
Beer. Dynamat.
Beer, Dynamat, and Volbeat.
Volbeat. That's pretty good combo, actually.
If only the Rockies won.
Ah, so close.
Alright, so we've got that in, got it dynamated. I think it came out quite nice.
Yep. Secure. Still clears a little.
Well, I'm hoping your glass is way higher than that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the body's going to come up like this.
Okay.
Glass bubbles. So you're probably looking at it up here.
And then this is just the drain valve. We'll have it dump that direction.
Dump. Close. Come right out the rear.
It's going to be interesting to try to keep this clean with the wiring.
We'll just probably run conduit. Or we could come off of this with like a quick disconnect type thing just for appearance. Don't really need it. We're not going to disconnect it.
Yeah, no.
Probably come down and
Yep.
down where the fuel cell is. Where the fuel cell.
You can see there's still a wiring rat's nest up here, so that's got to go. And then it looks like you put the front metal on.
Yep, radiator. Radiator will slide in here. So for aero purposes, this is in. We might do some sort of coating or maybe a big decal or something, but otherwise it's in.
Yeah, it's definitely come a long way. I really do like how this water block came out.
I do too. That took us about a day and a half.
It took way too long.
That really, it turns out that's the only place it could have gone.
Yep.
That makes any good sense. One more lock.
We still got to make sure that hood fits. Overall, though, I mean, starting to look pretty beastly. Need to get some stuff from Powder, and then you said you're going to be on vacation in somewhere.
Yeah, we'll be gone for a couple weeks, but when we get back from that, if we can get wheels, tires, radiator, finished cooling system, we should be close to firing it up.
Getting close, man.
Yeah. Yeah, real close. Once it gets wheels and a radiator, it's going to look like a dark. Then we can work on headers and stuff after that.
And you said you test mounted the supercharger and it looks good?
Yep. Just need to smooth out.
So we took the Voludon or compressor cover, whatever you want to call it, off so you could get it repowder coated.
So we'll fit something like that.
That looks cool. I kind of want to take a picture like that.
Where is the volume? I can hold it up.
Nah, it looks better like that.
Might be over there. But you could manifold fits. This should fit.
Yep, that looks kind of killer. So now he's just putting some tape down to cover the edges and the seams. So Dynamat makes their own tape.
Yep, just smooths it out a little bit.
We were just talking about the GT350's pricing, if the GT500 release is going to impact it. I mean, I'm under the impression that a whole bunch of guys are probably going to be trading in or selling to get their hands on them.
Well, GT350 was top dog for so long in the Mustang lineup, and now that something else will be, I think there's a lot of guys with 350s that are going to want the new top dog.
I wonder if
I
you'll
don't know
see a
if the
couple
price-
Rs.
Yeah, I don't know if the price will plummet or drop, but I mean,
Well, you'll have more supply on the market, at least the used
yeah,
market.
the demand for the GT350 is not going to be as high once the 500's out. And but there hasn't been a Ford offered boosted Mustang since 2014.
And that GT500 was a nice car. I think that car is going to hold its value really well.
I do too. I love
'Cause
the
it's-
13, 14.
I mean, it's the last manual. You got the last solid rear axle, and that body style looks fantastic. I think
Super easy to make more power too.
I'm not a big fan of the new GT500's front. I think the GT350 looks nicer. It's not as exaggerated. Yeah, I think it's just cleaner lines. But
No, I agree. I think the 13, 14 GT500 is going to be a great car long term. They're good looking. They're easy to make power. They have a great engine.
yeah, that 5.8.
And a more muscly look, in my opinion. I think those cars look more like muscle cars. These look like sports cars.
Correct.
So it just depends on what you're looking for.
That is like a perfect seal. Do that again. I don't believe it. Nothing ever lines up that nicely.
Just have to determine if we want to make it removable. I think I do want to make it
Yeah, you want to be able to get down
I
under
want to be
there.
able to access here in case we have a leak and see if it's leaking.
Yeah, for sure.
Because if it's not, I don't want to drop the tank. If we ever have to. Yeah,
Like a glove.
This is on the wrong side, but. I'll spin it. At least we can see right.
Yes, it's partially a car.
Be more like.
You should just leave it like this.
Seriously.
Just hanging on it.
Yeah.
Seriously.
That's gonna look sick, man.
That is gonna be
These aren't the race tires, but these will.
seriously wicked.
I need to get my wheels back.
Too bad you can't just run it like that.
Hubless.
Hubless.
It's the new hubless wheel
Yeah, they got,
for Daytona.
They have that system now.
I know.
You know what I mean?
Alright guys, so that concludes the video. Thank you for watching, and big shout out to everybody that's continuing to follow me. I truly appreciate it. I hope to be getting back into more coverage of this car when he returns from his latest vacation, but with that being said, you guys have a good day.